It's me again.
Hey!
How was your audition?
How'd you know?
The hotline. Your mom told my aunt, told me.
So, you just came by?
I was in the neighborhood. I needed to see a friendly face. I took 2 buses and a cab to get in the neighborhood, but... So how'd it go?
Oh. They said I needed acting lessons. A soap opera told me I needed acting lessons.
Well, let me buy you a cheeseburger. The sky's the limit. Up to $7.84.
I'd like a cheeseburger. Oh, but I'm going out to dinner with Harry. Come with us.
No, thanks. How's it going with... Never mind. That's none of my business.
It's not? Why so interested?
I'm not.
You're not?
Well, why would I be?
I don't know. Why would you be?
I don't know.
Sorry you won't come with us. I better run, Tiger.
Hey, check it out, man. Forward. Hey, where you going, baby? Come on.
Get off me! Wait.
You have a knack for getting in trouble.
You have a knack for saving my life. I think I have a superhero stalker.
I was in the neighborhood.
You are amazing.
Some people don't think so.
But you are.
Nice to have a fan.
Do I get to say thank you this time?
Wait.